Just because you're a naturalized citizen, it doesn't mean you're safe from keeping your citizenship status if you commit a crime. So the Justice Department issued this memo directing its civil division attorneys to revoke a person's citizenship in cases involving naturalized citizens who commit certain crimes. Now, this memo is going to focus on those who, quote, unlawfully procured citizenship, including those who obtained it through fraud or concealment of material information. Now, here's some examples of what this looks like. Someone who didn't legally qualify for naturalization, like being in the U.S. unlawfully. Someone who failed to mention something that would have made them ineligible, say a criminal conviction. Or someone who straight up lied and gave false information to get through the process. The memo says the Justice Department will prioritize cases involving people who, quote, engaged in the commission of war crimes, extrajudicial killings, or other serious human rights abuses to remove naturalized criminals, gang members, or indeed any individuals convicted of crimes who pose an ongoing threat to the United States, and to prevent convicted terrorists from returning to U.S. soil or traveling internationally with a U.S. passport. You can pause here if you want to read through the list of priority categories. Now, this move in particular specifically affects naturalized citizens, so people who weren't born in the U.S. but later on became citizens. This isn't entirely new. So after World War II, the U.S. government actually focused on denaturalizing citizens who had lied on their citizenship applications. And they were lying about involvement with Nazi war crimes, fascist organizations, or communist affiliations. And yes, the process is already underway. On June 13th, the Justice Department officially stripped citizenship from Elliot Duke, a U.S. Army veteran originally from the UK, and he was convicted of distributing child sexual abuse material. And he hadn't disclosed that conviction during his naturalization process.